So we made it to Nice, and Tony has been taking me through Old Town, which is where he stayed when he was here. And so we've just been walking around Old Town. We're going to go and find the sea to take a picture of you for the sea.
No, of the sea for you.
Take a picture. We've been up for how many hours? Over 24 hours, probably at this point for me, like 36 hours. So I am a little punchy here.
And we had to walk with our luggage a long way to.
Yeah, so I am just like a
great.
mess. I'm like totally all sweated up here, but I'm hanging in, hanging in there, and we're going to go get a picture of the sea for you. A biento. To the sea. We are here on the Mediterranean.
Welcome to the south of France.
Welcome to the south of France. We are so excited to be here.
You are looking live.
We are taking a break here, sitting down in a park called Pompidou Park. And this is a park that when my parents were here in Nice several years ago, they got locked inside this park at night. And so they told us this story of how they were locked in for probably about an hour before somebody saw that they were locked inside and called the caretaker to come and let them out. And there was actually another couple that was locked in the park with them. So that's sort of a classic story of my parents, but they survived. And so we are sitting in that very park right now, and we just did some shopping. We didn't buy anything, but we were in the more commercial area of shopping in downtown Nice, and now we're headed back into Old Town because I like the boutiques there better. So that's where we're probably going to do some of our real shopping.
Some damage.
And then we're having tonight, so today's day 2, we're having dinner with Adrian Leeds, which we're really excited about. And then tomorrow we head to Ventimiglia, to the market. I'm doing all the talking, Tony. Are you going to say anything? Are you going to say hi to everybody?
It's 11 o'clock in the morning and I'm exhausted already. Hi, everybody.
Well, we did a lot of walking yesterday, but we did get a good night's sleep last night.
And some people did a lot of stumbling.
I did. I had to change shoes. I wasn't planning on wearing those shoes throughout, but I was going to wear them again. They're sort of little wedge shoes, but I was falling off of them like half the day yesterday. So I'm wearing flats today. I'm wearing my Paris flats, and they're much more comfortable. So I'm fine today, although I did stumble a couple of times. I think we're just tired, and it's hard to walk around here. The streets, I don't know what it is. The tiles, everything is so uneven, and there's little dips and lips everywhere. I fall off the ledge sometimes.
By tired, I think you really mean old.
Old, yes. Little. Well, that's in the mind, right? Maybe my body. I think my body is struggling a little bit. So anyway, don't want to go into our old age ailments here. So we're going to rest here a little while longer and then head back into Old Town. Sound good?
Sounds good.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go.
Bye-bye.
Au revoir. melting, melting. So hot. You hot enough?
Yes. It's sticky more than anything.
So hot right now. And it is day 2 and it is hot. Absolutely hot.
It's really, the temperature's not that bad. I just looked it up. It's 77 degrees.
Really? Why does it feel so incredibly hot?
Humidity.
Mall in downtown, I guess you would call this downtown Nice?
On Dr. Juan Medicine, which is a main north-south route through Nice.
So there are there's like everything here. There's a pharmacy. I was showing the sign of whenever you see that green cross, there's a pharmacy. And so we buy some great, what is it called?
Advil that comes in a stronger form than we can get in the United States.
Yeah, it's really good. So we buy a bunch of it while we're here.
Only the legal limit.